welcome back again to TechCeasy. Yes, if you're wondering who is this face behind TechCeasy, here she is. Yeah, my name is TechCeasy and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, in this channel we'll bring you tutorials, especially for beginners, that will help you in your journey of building your YouTube channel. Not just YouTube channel, we'll be bringing other platforms on board very soon. So I'm here. We are in this tutorial today. I'll be teaching us how you can go live on YouTube without subscribers, without you getting your 4,000 watch hour. Yes, it's possible. Someone said, is it really possible? Yes, it's possible. Without using second-party app like StreamYard or Prism Live. Yes, without them. Going straight live on YouTube. Yes, even when you are not yet under 1K sub and you have not reached your 4K watch hour. Yes, it's possible. So in this video, I'll be taking us through that journey. I'll let you guys know how it's done. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's dive straight to that tutorial. So guys, the first thing you do is either you open your Google or Chrome browser. Okay, when you open it, on the search, you type YouTube advanced setting. If you type YouTube advanced setting, it will bring out a lot of options. Just click on the first one. When you click on the first one, a page like this will pop up. Okay, when this page pop up, you see these three dots by the right hand side. You click on it and change the setting to a desktop side. Right now is on mobile version. We're changing it to desktop side. Okay, so you click on these three dots depending on the phone you're using, change it to desktop side, and it will come out like this. Then on that same page, when you look very well, you will see, like normal way you upload your video on YouTube, you see this plus icon here on top, at the top of your the page you open. Just click on this plus icon. When you click on it, it will say upload video or go live. You just say go live. When you do that, you wait a little and another page will also pop out. This is where we are working. Okay, this is where you schedule your live stream. If you want it right now, you can do that. If you want it for later, as you can see here, yes, they say welcome to the new YouTube live control room. When do you want to go live? Is it right now? You can schedule it, start it. If it's not right now, if it's later, you can schedule it for the second part. So for the sake of this video, we'll just go ahead and say we are starting the live stream right now, which I just clicked. Okay, you go on, you continue clicking on. So guys, look at this particular page. Okay, this place, this is where you schedule your live stream. Okay, where you put in your details, description and all that. For the sake of this tutorial, let me just say let's grow. Okay, I can copy it and paste also in this description, or just type it again. Okay, you can see details, title. That's where I said let's grow. Copy it and paste it on your description as well, so that you don't waste much time. Okay guys, let's see how it goes. After you must have done the title and the description, you go to the next one, which is the category, people and blog, depending on the category you are, okay, or your niche, entertainment, whatever, music you choose. Same way you upload your video, the same process you take, that same thing. You add it to a playlist. If you want it to be on a playlist, you can add it. Is it meant for kids or not? Normally videos like this are not meant for kids, so you tick not meant for kids. Because if you click meant for kids, the chat option will not be visible for you to see. Yes, it will be, the comment will be turned off. Okay, so going down same way, after that comments and rating, you go to the next page. So guys, on this next page is where you have your customization. The live chat is already ticked. Okay, then you go to the next page, which is the visibility. Do you want it to be private? Do you want it to be unlisted? Do you want it to be public? Whichever way you, for the sake of this story, I'm going to make it private for me. Then if you want to schedule this live stream for later, you can see the down part there. this place I just bold it where it says schedule. You put your date and time for later. Okay, if you want to schedule it for later. So guys, this is basically how it's done. You go to the next page after putting your things. Go to the next page. So this is how it appears. This is where you go live. You can see this blue blue box here. It says go live. Okay, you're ready to go live, and you can go ahead and click on it and go live. Okay, if you want. Okay, you guys know it's a tutorial. You just click on that blue this thing showing, and voila, you are ready to go live. As you can see, it's going live, and we are live, guys. So this is basically how to go live while you are still under 1K sub. Okay, this is how you can go live straight on YouTube, not using a second party app. This is just how it's done. This is it. So guys, let me know what you think. Drop us your comments. Guys, I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Please help me share it to other people. I actually did this video because someone actually asked a question like this while I was on live stream. So I decided it's important I also do this video. That's why I'm here today. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and also share the video for us. Thank you guys. See you by God's grace in my next video.